If you're looking for someone to change your life, I can be the one that can change your life.
What's good, YouTube? We're back. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning.
It is.
Exactly 1 o'clock. 1 fucking o'clock.
And we're deep frying ice creams and an ice cream sandwich.
We deep frying fucking ice cream, like scoops of ice cream. And we're gonna, we never tried this before. We're just bored and we want to try it, so. Oh, the Oreo's underneath the fish tank.
Which one?
Because it's a big thing.
Eat fruit. It's good for you kids.
We have fruit in the fridge too. Put that shit in the fridge. I'm funny. I'm thirsty. Game in the fridge. Why the fuck did you do this like it would fucking bleed, bitch?
Oh my god.
Makes me good. Bitch, I didn't even push him hard. Ew, that one's like bruised. Maybe that's why people don't pick me. Maybe they think I'm a grape.
A raisin, bitch. Oh my god, a raisin.
Bruh, no, people be like, oh, it's bruised, I don't want it.
Where's the pancake shit? Oh. Want me to start on the pancake mix?
Mm-hmm. I got a cinnamon.
Look at this bitch. I got the big bags. What the fuck? Hey y'all. Paige. And I'm teaching you guys how to make pancakes.
Okay. She's not even telling y'all what she's doing.
Oh. Can you pour this on? I'm gonna spill it.
Oh.
I'm gonna spill it.
You spill it, you're cleaning it. Because I'm not.
What the fuck is that?
Right down. That's like a perfect ball right there. Look at that shit.
And then
Yes, it was. It was just pushed in because you did the ramen's like, bitch, this is my house. Don't tell me to
so clean your mess. And then
What?
clean your
Bitch,
mess.
you did. But that was like the first instruction she fucking said during the whole thing.
No, I said pour the pancake mix in.
Whoa, second.
And then you take your pancake mix and you get some water. Right? That's what you do. How much? Tell me more.
You have to guess it, bro. Don't put too much.
This one?
Oh,
That's gonna be dry.
okay.
Ooh, that's gonna be yeast infection dry. Sorry. No, I'm being serious, look. What the fuck? Where the fuck is these spoons? Where the fuck is these spoons?
Like slipped really bad. You fucking bitch. Fucking move. God, you know how long it took me to do that shit?
I'm sorry.
That was so disrespectful of her. Now you owe me a head rub. On everything you owe me a head rub. What's funny?
Nothing.
Why are you laughing over there?
I'm not laughing.
You were?
I went.
That's like laughing underneath your breath.
Look at this shit. What if I said this was done?
You put too much shit in it.
Oops, cottage cheese.
Now you need to put more batter.
Hold on. So, right now you're mixing it.
Move.
I'm not in this shot at all.
Bitch, you were just in the fucking whole camera, bruh. What are you talking about?
Nah, I was over here.
Bitch, you were right here. That's why I told you to move.
Right. That was that time. And then I wasn't in the whole fucking camera. Like, I was... Never mind. So, I'm mixing this shit.
You're dumb.
Alright.
It's dog time. I feel like it's too like doughy.
So, more water. So, just keep adding water until it's the perfect consistency. Ours, I think, is almost. Good. So,
We have to wrap that shit around ice cream. Balls of ice cream.
okay. Is that almost boiling?
I don't know. Put your finger under cold water and then splash it on the oil. And see if it like, you'll see if it does no.
But yeah. So it's like basically right.
Why do I make that noise? It's getting there.
You guys want a grape?
I want a grape.
What the fuck is your face? Ready?
Bitch, I thought you were gonna throw it, bitch. I don't, bitch, don't. I am not a fucking toddler. Baby, bitch. Yeah.
Oh shit, you don't even have a bowl.
I'm scared. It's gonna like explode. Oh my god, I'm scared. It's gonna be chicken wings all over again. I'm gonna cry.
Stop. Just
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
okay, do you have crackers?
Crackers? What?
So we can like graham crackers, so then we can like crush them up and put them on the ice cream. There we go.
I have vanilla wafers in my room. Or Eva has some somewhere upstairs, I think.
But I need some type of spoon. So I can scoop it.
I do the dishes.
There's something in there, I guess. That's okay.
Bitch.
We'll work this out. So now you open wow. Just close it. You open this. Ash, come on.
Now you can make it into a ball. And we need plates. Or
you
bowls.
Have like a
Plates or
metal
bowls?
strainer type thing.
No. Ooh, should be these bowls?
Sure.
We got these at Walmart. I think. Either Walmart or Target.
Ready? I'm scared.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god,
Please
oh my
stop
god,
it.
oh my god.
Here.
Wait, hold on, I gotta record on your
Hold
phone.
this. Hold this.
Bitch, no, I'm not holding nothing.
You gotta bring it.
Oh, hold the, oh, I thought you were talking about.
Move these bowls.
Bitch, you gotta hurry up and
What?
it's gonna melt the ice cream.
I need a spoon. Wait, I'm confused. It's not melting nothing yet.
Bitch, dude, it's ice cream.
Right.
Flip it.
I need.
Try number 2.
Watch out, Ash. Excuse me. Sorry.
This is gonna be a long video.
Should I?
Oh wait, hold on. It's like it needs more like batter to hold on to.
How?
I don't know.
Or we could try a ice cream thing. Sandwich. So we have a ice cream sandwich, which are really good. So I hope this works. Turn that up, please.
See, it's like not wrapping around it. I feel like the batter needs more batter in it.
Is it burning?
Should we look?
Sorry, guys.
Like,
Just put it in this.
the fucking phone. Alright, y'all. So, turn it. The fucking phone. You have to do it like this.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a mess. Okay. This is how it turned out. I mean, like.
Alright, I want to try this.
I want to try this.
Alright.
Alright, y'all.
Ready?
So
I have to eat over the bowl.
go.
Okay.
It's like
We should have left it in there longer.
all the ice cream's out of it. I mean, if my ice cream didn't fall out,
That's pretty bomb.
if my ice cream didn't fall out, I would probably like it way more. But my ice cream fell out. And I'm kind of highly upset about that. Can you get out of my fucking shop? Thanks. I'm highly upset about that. But that was the end of this video. Like, we low-key failed, but then at the end, like, it kind of like fell through. But that was it. Like, comment, subscribe. You already know how it go. And I'll see you all next time. Peace.